Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started third lesson of EVS 1, that is the excretory system. Okay. Yesterday I given you one homework. What is that? That you have to draw the diagram of human excretory system. You have to put heading, date and draw the diagram, and you have to give label. Okay, today whichever roll number I will tell you, you have to send image of that picture. Okay, so yesterday we have studied first point. What it is? Yes, it is excretion. Now what is meant by excretion? You have remembered? Yes. For that excretion, for better understanding the excretion, I give you one example. Which is? Yes, cupboard. When we have to put something new in cupboard, what we have to do? We have to remove our wastage material. Then only we can put. Then only we have to make first space. Like that only. In human body or in our body, when we are eating food, it will be digested. Some part is absorbed. We have already studied in second lesson. And removing wastage material. And that only this process is called excretion. Okay, so simple definition recall with me, that excretion means removal of waste from the body is called excretion, and it is the liquid wastage material. It can be goes through the skin, lungs. Okay, now come to the point, which body part taking participation in the process of excretion. That is pair of kidneys. 4 parts. Okay, I think all of you remembered. First part is a pair of kidneys, means 2 kidneys. Then next one, pipe-like structure. Yes, correct. That a pair of ureters, means 2 ureter. Then bag-like structure. What it is? Bladder. We can call that urinary bladder. And last one, that opening out of the body or wastage out from the body through that opening. What it is? Urethra. Okay, I repeat it. A pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter. Third one, bag-like structure is urinary bladder, and last one, urethra. Okay, this is the revision of previous session. Now come to the today's point. What it is? How it work? Okay, what process is going to the excretion? Okay, process of excretion. First, see this diagram. Yes, here is kidney, pipe-like structure, ureter, and last one, bladder, and the opening is urethra. So, in the kidney, what is happening? The blood circulate in our body, kidney working on filtration. When we drink water, we always prefer filtered water because our body part, wait, yes, we have to keep our body part well or healthy. That's why we drink water healthy. So in our body, blood circulates. So blood must be filtered. And who is doing that work? That body part is kidney. The kidney work like a filter. Okay. Then how much time require? So it takes about 45 minutes for the kidney to purify all the blood which passes in our body. And kidney works throughout the day and night. So when blood is filtered, then it passes through in our body, and the wastage material, where it passes it goes to the pipe like structure, that is the ureter. Okay, one from left side and one from right side. Then it goes through the bag like structure. What it is? It is urinary bladder. And whatever wastage material out from the body, it goes through the opening, that is urethra. This process done like this. Come this point, the kidney work like a filter, and it takes about 45 minutes for purifying all the blood present in human body or in our body. The urinary bladder stores urine. When it will half full, then it expands. Okay, it is the balloon like structure. Then liquid waste is removed from the blood and thrown out of our body as urine, and through the urethra. Okay, now we have studied that excretory system. Another way also excretion is done. Excretion through the lungs and excretion through the skin. That lungs and skin also doing same function, that is the excretion. How it is? We see. Skin and lungs help in excretion. Now excretion through the skin. How it is working? Through the skin. We are drinking water. We're drinking the water and it goes through the process of excretion, wastage material. Okay, we have seen in excretion in kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Now excretion through the skin. Skin, it is the largest body part which doing excretion. Liquid waste means water, liquid waste goes from the skin in the form of sweat. Okay, then how sweat is formed? The salt and the water goes from our body in the form of sweat. Okay, and what happening when sweat is on our body? It cools our body. Okay, we feel cool. The next one is excretion through the lungs. In this picture you can see breathing. Okay, we breathing means inhale and exhale. Something we taking and something we exhale. Okay, when we breathing, we taking from air oxygen. Okay, for that lungs helps to that process. And when we are taking oxygen, at the same time carbon dioxide out from our body. Okay, and this process is done with the help of our body part, it is lungs. Okay, this process is also excretion, because we are taking oxygen and we are our human body out from the human body exhale the carbon dioxide from the body. Okay, so it is the wastage material out, removing wastage material from our body, it is the excretion only. So today we have studied how the excretion and what is the process of excretion, how it is working. And 2 points, excretion through the skin, you have to just remember sweat, and excretion through the lungs, for that you have to just remember breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, we are taking oxygen, and in exhaling it is the carbon dioxide. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss about kidney stone and one another interesting point. I hope you all understood till this point, that is excretion through the skin and excretion through the lungs. Okay, after this video I will tell you roll number. Please send me pic of that diagram, that is human excretory system. Okay, thank you.